everybody can agree that Zoho has great functionality. It's coming from Zoho clients and it's also coming from the competition. But there is one thing that Zoho were lacking for a long time, and that's the Zoho CRM design. The system is designed in a templated way that it's a problem. Now, Zoho fixed this problem, and I promise you that I will present you with multiple changes that Zoho are coming with, but I could not share with you. So, thanks to Zoho, they released in an early release, which means not everybody can get it, only a few people. And of course, if you want to get it as well, just watch until the end of this video because I will give the details. So Zoho created a canvas view for the front end, which means you will be able to customize the view in any way that you like. Let me give you an example. If I am going to my view, this is the way that I constructed it. I like to have the edit button and the clone button on the left side because I use them all the time. I like to have the send email in the center of the screen. I like to have only those buttons and not all the buttons that I had before. I like to have the notes, attachments, open activities. I don't care about the close activities, emails, campaigns, and the blueprint buttons here. I have a way to customize the views. Also in the lead information, I can drag and drop any kind of field that I want into the canvas and bang, it's done. Phenomenal. Now for artistic people, which I'm not one of them, you can also have beautiful designs. And if you will look at the video that Zoho created, you can see here the way that you can design your page, which is crazy, right? That's not what you will see in my video, right? I cannot reach those levels, but I will show you how to create those canvas views. So once you will go to the settings and you will see under customization the canvas builder, and probably you will not have it right now. And if you need it, as I said before, at the end of the video I will give the details. If you will click on the canvas builder, you will see the canvas that you already created. In my case, I created one for the leads module. And if you need more, you just need to create more canvas. For example, you will click here, you will go, let's say, to the contacts, and then you assign to a specific layout. Yes, every layout can have its own canvas if you wish. Once you will go to one of the canvas, and this is the one that I created, you can see that the way that Zoho created it, extremely simple. As an example, on the left side under the data, you will have all the fields that's being used in the system. And let's say that I like to have one of the fields, let's say the lost lead reason. I can just drag and drop it and just put it in one of the boxes. Let's assume that you want to have another box. You will go to the elements. You click on the section, you can drag and drop a section, you can have it in any kind of design that you like, and then on top of it you can start to add more data. Okay, so let's say that this is the field that I want to have. I will just drop it here, and maybe I want to have the tags maybe over here, and as you can see, it's just drag and drop. It's very, very simple. One thing that I got mixed up is that the edit and the clone and delete, the basic functionality is not there. So you need to put it on the screen. So let's say the delete screen, the delete button, if you want it, you will need to push it and put it on the screen, and then you can create your own page. Now, if you are, as I said before, an artistic person, you can go to the style. And you can create, let's say, you can have an image, that the image will be the background of your entire screen. You can have the lead picture. Let's say, not too many people are using the lead picture, but you can have the lead picture in any place that you like. You have lots and lots of abilities here to change the view. But I think for me, in terms of functionality, in terms of the functional way, just to have what I need the most in front of me, that's priceless, because I don't need to have everything that Zoho throwing on my page, because that was really bad. One more thing is, lots of people complain that Zoho were a template, that you can have in this template only a side-by-side view. And here, as you can see, you can have multiple views of multiple sections, and you don't need to have 2. You can have 3 or 4 or 5. It all depends on your needs, you see? And now here I can drop more content. One more thing that is cool, you can also customize it in a nice way. For example, let's say that I want to have some kind of a separation here, and below I can throw more data. Or maybe you like to have data that is coming from one of the other sections, okay? And you can just start to throw it here, even without any kind of a section box like this one. So you can see you can really do whatever you want. And when you save, and by the way, if it's the first time you're using it, you will need to click on Canvas Assignment, and you need to assign the canvas to one of the roles. In my case, I assigned it only to the administrator, which is myself. But if you want to assign it to more people, you just need to click on Test or on the canvas that you created, and then click on Save. Now, once I'm going to the lead, which this is where I assigned this specific view, you will see exactly what I created. Okay, so I think it's crazy what they did here with the canvas, that you can have whatever you want and no one is deciding for you. And also, as you can see, the email is coming in. It's so slick and cool. So I think Zoho did a phenomenal job on the canvas view. Now, if you already have some kind of a Zoho partner, I recommend you contacting them and asking them to help you get the early release. If I am one of your Zoho partners, contact us using the link below. I created a special link, and me or Lee from my team will help you get it free of charge. We don't charge for any of the early release. We always try to help our clients. If you like us to be your Zoho partner, there is also a link on the bottom, and you will get instructions how to add us as a partner, okay? And whenever we are your partners, of course, we will help you get it free of charge, no problem at all. That's it really. I hope you liked it. If you like what Zoho did here, put a small like on the video so I can share with Zoho your feedback. I never saw any CRM that is giving this kind of flexibility in terms of the design, and I hope you appreciate what Zoho are doing it for you, because it's a big company with lots of users. I think they crossed the 65 million users or something like that. They don't need to develop so much for you, but they are still doing it, and they're spending tons of money just so their clients will have great systems. I think it deserves a like, okay? Whenever Zoho will implement all the changes, which many more to come, I will create my Zoho CRM course again from scratch with all those changes. So people that has access to my Zoho CRM course will get also the new course with the old course. They will get everything. And of course, new people will get only the new one, because that will be relevant for them. Thank you very much for watching this session. We'll see you in the next one.